Okay, so today we are going to be spotting Fia. We're not sure if it's the right way to spot, but we're just going to show you the right and the wrong to do in a back tuck. When you're doing a back tuck is like this. Yeah. Ready? Like that. So that's what Fia is going to be doing, but we're going to be spotting her. Okay, Fia, come on.
I didn't really get a drink, so I'm still really thirsty.
Okay. Ready? Set, go. Notice how her head was back. Put your head back. Notice how her head was back. She won't get round right. So she has to put her head up and her legs tucked to get around right. Okay, let's do it one more time.
Try not to put your head out.
And when you're doing a back tuck, you want to make sure you set up. Okay, go. Good job. Let's all get a round of applause for Fia. I'm level 6 at Ultimate Gymnastics.
I'm level 6 at Ultimate Gymnastics. Prep up. She is a prep up.
She's a BPO. Let's give a round of applause for her. Come join us at Ultimate Gymnastics. Go to ultimategymnastics.com.
It's the best gym ever!